Hey, it's Sarah from Lion Brand, and today I'm here with one of your favorite yarns, Wool Ease Thick and Quick. This yarn has been part of the Lion Brand family for a really long time, and we have given it a new look with this beautiful new label. This yarn is loved by both knitters and crocheters because it is soft, it is warm, it is chunky, and it's a wool and acrylic blend, which means that you can machine wash it. You're getting the warmth of wool blended with the ease of acrylic yarn. I have just a few of the colors here. These are some of our favorites. This one is Hudson Bay. Wool Ease Thick and Quick is cool because it comes in some self-striping colors like this one, but it also comes in beautiful solid colors. You just need one ball of Wool Ease Thick and Quick to make a hat, but this yarn's great for sweaters, like the one that I'm wearing. Wonderful for afghans, scarves, anything you can think to make of, it is great to work with. In solid colors like this one, you get 106 yards in each ball. In the prints and self-striping yarns, you get 87 yards. This yarn is super bulky. It's a number 6, and it's 80% acrylic with 20% wool. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this yarn works up in a knit and crochet swatch. So I have here a crochet swatch that I just worked up. It is done in single crochet in this nice solid color, which I really love. You can see these beautiful chunky stitches. This worked up so fast. I was working with an N13 hook, which is the recommended hook size for this yarn. Feels like it will last a long time. This is a great yarn to reach for any kind of project where you need a super bulky yarn. And let me show you the knit swatch. So this is the stockinette stitch swatch that I made. This is knit on size 13 needles, which is the recommended needle size. With this color you can see the striping, which I think is so pretty. You have nice color changes. And again, it's really soft. This would make a really great cowl, a nice scarf. It works up really fast. Really cozy feeling. You've got to love Wool Ease Thick and Quick. So that's Wool Ease Thick and Quick. This is a classic Lion Brand yarn. It's soft, it's long lasting. I love working with it. Happy stitching!